KX450. Let us change the clutch. I already drip all the oil is been dripping. Let's use the 8mm to take these things off. Let me take the clutch cover off. It's very easy. I took the cover off. It looked like it has a ring. Let us use the 10mm to take all these fives off. So now that we lose the springs, let's take them off, all the fives. After this, we're gonna take the pressure plate off. This is the pressure plate. Okay. We took the pressure plates off. So this is the fiber and the plates we need to replace. Let me take all these off. So it goes like that. It has a fiber and the plate. I'm gonna put it like this just to remember. So both they coming off together. So they have this right here, the fiber is thick between them. You see, every time you take the fiber off, it has this one stay between them. So I took all the plates off. The oil is still dripping. Let me make a little inspect. Okay, everything's looking okay, no scratch, no nothing. Took all the plates off. So we're gonna start is with a fiber. Let me pre-soap this. Compress. So I guess you really don't need to pre-soap, but this the way I learned. That's why I'm doing this way. So when you're gonna put this, just let all the oil drip off, because I don't want you, when you're gonna put the actual oil, don't have an extra amount. Fiber. So next gonna be Still. Very easy job. I like to let my drain bolt off, so if you see it's still draining oil, like so it can drain the dirty oil sit on the bottom. Okay, let's put back the pressure plate. So I think like it came with the new springs. I don't know if I'm gonna let the old one. So maybe yeah, let us put the new one that came with a clutch. So the new clutch came with the new springs. Oh, let us use the new springs. And let us put back the bolt and use the 10 millimeters. Let us put back the cover. Okay, let us use back the 9 millimeters, so to tighten the cover up, and we're done. New clutch plate in 20 minutes. After this, we're gonna change oil and let's go wheelie.